Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change username on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this settings gear at the top. Under this settings, all you have to do now, tap on this section which says personal details, this one. Under this personal details, tap on this section which says profiles, this one. So after you tap on this profiles, now select your Facebook profile that you want to change the username on it. So after in this section, all you have to do now, tap on this section which says username. Under this username, as Kasunam, if you add username on your Facebook account, you can see the username like this on your Facebook. So now all you have to do now, go and change the username. As you can see now, you will see your username like this. So you can go ahead and change your username on your Facebook account. So after you finish changing your username, all you have to do now, just tap on this save button, done button, so it will save your username on your Facebook. That's it guys, on how to change username on Facebook. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.